Sun salutations are a great way to get your body warmed up and ready for the day. If you're short on time, you can do a few of these, and it's a really efficient way to get some full body movement in. Today I'm going to guide you through a series of progressions using modifications in Sun Salutation A, building up to a full traditional Sun Salutation. So let's start at the top of our mat in Tadasana. Feet hips width apart, shoulders relax, hands by your side. Take a few deep centering breaths here. On your inhale, raise your arms, reach to the sky. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise up into a half back position. Exhale, fold forward again. Inhale, stand up again, reaching towards the sky. Exhale your hands back to heart center. We'll move through a couple of these half salutations, warming up the body. Inhale, reach up again. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up, rise up. Exhale, hands to heart center again. Let's start our first Sun Salutation. Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale into a half back. Plant your hands and slowly work your way back into a plank position. Inhaling here. Exhale, drop your knees to the ground. Arch your back, roll your shoulders back down your back, and drop your chest and chin toward the mat. Inhale, roll forward onto your belly. Place your hands by your sides without pushing into your hands. Using your muscles of your upper back, lift your heart forward and up into a baby cobra. Exhale, release your head back to the mat. Inhale, push back onto your knees. Tuck your toes under and stretch back into a down dog. First down dog, wiggle out. Bending your knees as much as you need. Slow warming up the body. Let's inhale our right leg high to the sky. And exhale, open that right hip towards the right side. Getting a nice stretch through your hips. You can circle your hip if you want. Circle your ankle. Warming up your joints. And exhale. Drop that foot back to the ground, back into down dog. Inhale your left leg to the sky now. Reach it long. Exhale, open your hip towards the left. Finding whatever movement feels good on this side. Maybe you rotate your hip and ankle. And exhale, return to down dog. Inhale, look forward. Taking small steps. Slowly walk your way back up to the top of your mat into a forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold again. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, mountain pose. Take a breath here. Moving on. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look up, plant your hands on the ground, bend your knees if necessary. Step one leg back to the back of your mat. Step the other leg back to match it. Drop your knees to the ground. Look forward, keep your elbows pinned in, reach your chest forward, lower down halfway into a modified chaturanga, and then all the way to the ground. This time, rise up into a little more of a cobra, using your arms a little bit this time, but only coming up halfway, really reaching your chest forward and up. Exhale, release your forehead back to the mat. Inhale, rise back up into all fours and back into downward facing dog. Take 3 breaths here. Inhale, lift your right leg to the sky. Exhale, step it all the way up to the top of your mat. It might take a couple of steps for you, but do what you can. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step both feet forward to the top of your mat. Inhale, half back position. Exhale, fold forward again. Inhale, reach up, rise up. Exhale, hands back to heart center. Take another clearing breath here. Inhale, reach up again. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, step your opposite foot to the back. Look forward. Inhale, come into a plank. Exhale, if you want, come into a full chaturanga position, all the way to the ground. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, release your forehead back to the ground. Inhale, downward facing dog. Take 3 breaths here again. Inhale, reach your left foot up to the sky again, reaching long. Exhale, step your left foot to the top of the mat. In a low lunge, look forward, reach your chest forward. Exhale, bring your right foot up to meet it at the top of your mat. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up again. Exhale, hands to heart center. Take a clearing breath here. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look up. Exhale, plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Knees are off the ground this time. Exhale, roll over your toes into a downward facing dog. Take a few breaths here. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, bend your knees and maybe lightly hop to the front of your mat. Inhale, half back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, reach up, rise up. Exhale, hands back to heart center. Take a breath here. Let's do one more full Sun Salutation A for good measure. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, step back. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. One breath here this time. Exhale, travel forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stand up, reach up. Maybe a little back bend here. Exhale, come back to center. Tadasana. Release your hands in your side. Take a couple of breaths here. I hope you feel better after those few sun salutations. If you want, moving on from here, moving on to a standing pose sequence could be really nice if you have the time. That video I have coming out next week, I'll put a link to it below if you want to practice that after this one. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. And if you like this video, subscribe.